Last week, I showed you how to create videos without being on camera. But if you're a service-based business that interacts with their clients or customers, or if you're building a personal brand, it's actually better for you to show up on camera. So this week, you're gonna practice being on camera. I want you to gradually show your face on camera. Hi there, Pagan here. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to be confident on camera, or just get comfortable on camera, then you're in the right place. So we're going to take baby steps here. You're going to gradually get comfortable on camera and try to overcome your camera shyness. You might be thinking, Pagan, why do I have to show my face on camera? I'm content in hiding my face. If you're a service-based business, then showing your face on camera is a quicker way to build know, like, and trust with your audience, especially if you're building your audience from scratch. You're virtually unknown, so it's an easy way for your audience to get more comfortable with you. Another reason is if you're working with your clients one-on-one or in a group setting, or if you're selling a course, it'll be easier for your prospective clients to buy from you. Most people buy from people that they know and trust. If your videos are helpful for your clients, like if it solves some of their problems, then they'll start to trust you and know that they can learn from you. So of course, it'll be easier to buy from you because they know that you're a trusted source. Along those lines, your prospective clients will also know what to expect from you business-wise and personality-wise, since they're used to interacting with you in your videos. That's why whenever you're creating your videos, it's better to show your true personality or how you act whenever you're actually interacting with your clients. It'll be weird to have a different personality than what your clients know you for when they're watching your videos. The last reason has to do with personal branding. If you watch my video, Should I Build a Personal Brand? Then you know there are some benefits to building a personal brand for your business. It'll be easier to build a personal brand if you show your face. Okay, so you know why it's important to show your face on camera, but knowing and doing are two different things. I know how scary being on camera is when you're not used to it. I was the queen of hiding from cameras, whether that's taking pictures or being on video. If it wasn't for my passion of helping you create videos or brand your business, then I wouldn't be doing this. Everyone in the online community is always like, get comfortable being uncomfortable, or just do it. I kind of agree to a certain extent. I mean, honestly, that's how I started my business, my blog, and this YouTube channel. But you know, just do it is the reason why I'm afraid of water. When I was 7 years old, my cousin took my siblings and I to the pool for the first time. I thought it was so amazing. I went in there and almost drowned. If it wasn't for my sister pulling me back in, I don't know what would have happened. It was a big trauma for me. A few years later, my dad actually took us to take swimming lessons. So even though I'm afraid of water, I'm confident that I won't drown. The moral of this story is sometimes you have to take baby steps to get to where you want to be. Since we're taking baby steps, you should at least show up on camera for at least 30 seconds. This is a simple way to gradually get comfortable with being on camera. If you practice being on camera, then you'll eventually get used to it. So what are you doing for those 30 seconds or more? You're just introducing the video. That's it. If you want, you can also do a quick introduction of yourself. Now people will know who you are and your name. And if you have a weird name like I do, then they'll know how to pronounce your name too. Once you're done with the introduction, you can get into the tutorial and the B-roll footage that doesn't show your face. If you want to go one step further, you can show your face at the end of the video too. All you have to do is summarize the video and thank your viewers for watching. This is actually how I gradually started getting comfortable on camera. I was still creating tutorials, but I was introducing myself and what the video was about. Once I started getting used to seeing my face on video, I started showing up more and more on video, and now it's not as big of a deal anymore. Do you need help creating a script for your videos? Grab my free YouTube script template in the description box down below. Are you ready to practice being on camera? Let me know in the comments down below. Next week, I'm going to talk about how to get more confident on camera. You'll get an inside look at some of the things I did to get more comfortable on camera. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe, Hit the like button and share with your friends so I can make more videos like this. Until next week, bye.